Multiple forms of identification is never a bad idea. Hey everyone, it's Akiva.
And Misha.
And welcome to The Bemused.
And today we're going to be talking about what's in our wallets. So first, I'll describe my wallet. It's a Michael Kors accordion type wallet, if that's what it's called. I never really keep cash in here. So it's usually empty. So what's in my wallet? So I have credit cards. I have the Venture One card, a Discover It card, and the Capital One Quicksilver.
And my wallet is a Coach. And it's not even really a wallet. It's a coin purse that I just use as a wallet. Had this for my 16th birthday, so I've had this going on 5 years. Yes, that's how old I am, doing math. I don't even think they sell it anymore, but I like it. I carry it everywhere. As you can see, it's been through some things, and I mean, it's kind of busting at the seams. As you can see, his wallet is much less filled than mine. I guess I like to carry a lot of stuff. So, but anyway, the credit cards, I have pretty much the same things. I have the Discover It card, also. Got the Venture One card, also. And have the Capital One Quicksilver card, also.
Yeah. Then I have my MCU bank card. It's not a debit card. It's just used for going to the ATM and taking out cash in that account. And then I have my Capital One bank card. This is what I use at the ATM and all that other good stuff.
Yep, I have 3 debit cards currently, which I barely use, but carry them anyway. I have my debit card for my main checking account at Capital One, 360, differentiation there. I have my business debit card, which is for my side business, which you guys will hear a lot about later on, I'm sure. So I have that, my business account there, and then I have also another debit card. This is another card that's been with me since I was 16, I think, is when I opened my first ever checking account, joined with my parents, and this is still the debit card I have. It's still open, it doesn't even have anything in it. I don't know why I still have this, but it's still an active card, so that's what I got.
Next, I have my driver's license. You guys don't see anything on there, but it's in there.
Yeah, New York State. You know, probably should change that now that I live in Massachusetts, but who cares? And I still have my learner's permit too, and my junior license. I don't know, I carry all these identifications around, just, you never know. You just never know.
Then I have, people from New York will definitely know what these are, Metro cards.
Oh, yeah.
Some of them are actually about to expire because if you live in New York, you know that you have to pay for these now. So I hold on to them even though I'm not in New York that much. And then I used to go to school for undergrad in Maryland. So I have a Smart Trip card that I've had for like 5-6 years now.
Yep, same. Got my handy dandy Metro card and my handy dandy Smart Trip card. We went to the same undergrad, FYI. So yeah, and we're both from New York, so there you go.
And then I have my health insurance cards, definitely important to have in case you get into any emergencies or anything like that. When you get to the emergency room or urgent care, they are going to ask for this. And if you don't have it, then that means that you're going to be needing one of these cards over here, credit card, debit card, to pay for it.
Right. Mine too. So I have my hospital insurance card, which is separate from my medical insurance card, which is separate from my CVS prescription card, and I have now my brand new dental insurance card now that I have an employer that gives me dental insurance, so that's all great.
And then finally I have like the little just thrown in there cards. So at one point I was going to Dave & Buster relatively often, so I have a Dave & Buster's Power card.
Same.
I have a laundry card from my undergrad. It probably still might have some money on here.
I got 2 of them joints.
Yeah, she probably lost one, so she had to get another one.
Listen, I found another one. Don't come for me.
Then I have my AAA membership card. I also have it digitally on my phone, if I lose it for whatever reason.
Yep, I got my expired AAA membership card. My membership's still active, just the card is not since June 2017, which clearly it is not anymore.
And then finally, I have a BJ's membership card.
Why do you have a BJ's
I don't
membership
shop
card?
at BJ's, but for the day pass, we needed it, like my family, and I was the only person who hadn't gotten one yet, so I got a day pass.
Yeah, I have still some more crap in here. Got my student ID for my current school. You know, that's important. You should have that in your wallet. I still have my old undergrad ID for some reason. I don't know. I mean, it might come in handy one day. So keep that from senior year of college. And then I have this gift card that somebody gifted me that I have no idea how much money is still on it.
I think I gave you that.
You did?
I think so.
I don't know.
That looks familiar.
Everything looks familiar to you. You swear you buy me everything, but you don't. So anyway, got that. Have a Starbucks card that I use occasionally.
Gross.
And I'm pretty sure it has money on it. Did you say Starbucks is gross?
It is gross.
Y'all come at him in the comments because...
Dunkin' Donuts all the way.
Anyway, so that had a Six Flags membership, which we used to be season pass members for a few years.
Yeah.
And we decided this year to let it go because the nearest Six Flags to me in Massachusetts is like an hour and a half to 2 hours away, and nobody's making that drive. And I don't know, the nearest one to you is like an hour and a half, right?
About the same thing.
From where you are too. So yeah, it just wasn't gonna make sense. And then I have some random store credit cards. This I found on the floor, so I'll see how much is on there from Best Buy. Forever 21. Also, I find these things places. Don't ask me how. And my Geek Squad support, because you know, occasionally I do buy things from Best Buy, and I like having my Geek Squad.
And finally, I have my graduate ID in my wallet because I need this to get in every single building on campus.
I need this for nothing else but to print stuff. Like,
And to print.
I have an unnecessary amount of money at school to print stuff. I feel like I should have been charged less because I don't use this money.
But that's really it. Aside, those are the things. As you can see, it's a vast difference from what I keep in my wallet from what she keeps in her wallet.
It's not that
I think
vast.
that
Do
she
we have the same
hoards things. I keep what's essential. The only thing that's in here, in my opinion, that's unessential, which I can throw away today, is the BJ's membership card because it was only a day pass. The, what is this? The Dave & Buster's power card. Maybe I have some points on there, so I'll hold on to that.
I go there occasionally.
And that's really it. The laundry card, where I stay right now,
I don't need that.
I can
I don't know why
still
it's in
use
there.
it. So, I use it when I do my laundry. So
You actually use them?
I do.
Yeah, I have no reason for them anymore. I don't know
So
why they're
everything
there.
in my wallet is a necessity. Whereas,
Listen,
carrying around a learner's permit,
no.
a driver's license, it's unnecessary.
Listen, multiple forms of identification is never a bad idea. Okay? Alright. So anyway, if you enjoyed this video, why are you laughing at me?
If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and stay tuned for the next video.
Turn on notifications so that you always know when we upload next every single Tuesday. Thank you for joining us for one of our very first videos on this channel. If you got some type of value out of this, let us know. In the comments, let us know what's in your wallet. We'd like to know. So, yes.
Stay tuned for
Thanks for watching and join us next week.
Peace. No, that sounds dumb. Bye. No, that sounds worse. See you next time. There you go.